Hey guys, Michael Sanchez, violin teacher here. I'm really excited to be taking you guys through the second course of how to play the violin. If you haven't gone through my first course, it's going to teach you so much about technique and how to set up your violin perfectly for success and everything you need to know to really be able to get a good sound. So in this course, we're going to be taking you guys through the aspects of reading music and learning some fun songs. So to start, we have to understand how to read music. So this I wrote out for you guys. So in music, you're always going to see this right here, which is called a treble clef. That just signifies the range of where we're playing. And it's always going to be the same in all violin music, signified by this symbol, which is a treble clef. So from this point here to this bar line right here, this is called a measure. And a measure is going to be anywhere from 2 beats to 4 beats to even higher. In most music, it's going to be 4 beats, which is signified by this 4/4 symbol. And that's called the time signature. If you see a C in music, that's an easier way to write it. C and 4/4 mean the same thing, means common time. Okay, so it's really nice to know common time and understand that because it tells you how many beats are in a musical measure. So in this case, there's 4. A quarter note right here, that's 1 beat. A rest, which is signified by this squiggly line, is a beat. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 total beats in this measure, which is from here to here. Right here we have what's called the key signature, which signifies where our fingers go on the violin. And it's really important to understand everything about the key signature, which I'll be showing you more about that in the next lesson. But basically it's telling us which notes are played sharp or which notes are played flat, which changes the positioning of the fingers on the violin. So that's what's called the key signature. Great, so everything that I'm showing you here is going to help you to be able to play some of the songs I'm going to be teaching you. So hopefully that makes sense. In the next lesson, we'll be going through more of how to read music, which is going to be really important. Thanks so much for watching.